If you're planning to transport your RV on the road, you need to be aware of the Department of Transportation regulations that apply to your vehicle. The DOT has specific requirements that must be met to ensure safe and legal transport of your RV. Before we continue, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell for notifications so you can stay updated about important trucking topics. Now let's jump right in and go over some of the main DOT regulations for RV transport. When it comes to hitching your RV to your vehicle, you need to make sure that you're using the right equipment. This includes a hitch that's rated to handle the weight of your RV, as well as safety chains and brake controllers that are properly installed and adjusted. RVs must, of course, be operated in accordance with applicable federal, state, and local laws. When you're driving your RV on the road, there are certain speed limits and other regulations that you need to follow. In general, the maximum speed limit for RVs is 65 miles per hour on highways and 55 miles per hour on other roads. Drivers of RVs need to wear a seatbelt at all times while the vehicle is in motion. Each driver must possess a valid driver's license appropriate for the exact classification of the vehicle being driven. RVs should not exceed their manufacturer's gross vehicle weight rating, and all load securement requirements such as tie-downs, straps, or chains must be followed when transporting an RV. For trips over 150 miles, drivers are required to take periodic rest breaks of at least 15 minutes every 2 hours. All RVs that are to be used for commercial purposes, as well as any vehicle with a gross combination weight rating over 10,000 pounds, must comply with official federal motor carrier safety regulations. These regulations include drug and alcohol testing for drivers, regular inspections of vehicles, and adherence to hours of service rules. All drivers operating an RV with a gross combined weight rating above 10,000 pounds will also need to obtain a valid commercial driver's license. Say that the DOT or FMCSR notices that you violate a regulation. As an RV driver, you may be subject to roadside shutdown until you have had enough time off duty to become compliant again. State and local law enforcement officers have the authority to issue fines for violations. Plus, the FMCSA and DOT can impose civil penalties on drivers or carriers, which range from $1,000 to $11,000 depending on the severity of the offense. Also, a carrier safety rating might drop due to a pattern of violations. In extreme cases where a carrier knowingly and willfully breaks the rules, federal criminal charges may also be brought forth. Once again, please do not forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell for notifications so you can stay updated about important information designed to benefit drivers and carriers. If you need access to DOT registration resources, our third-party organization can supply them. Feel free to give us a call at 866-477-0707. Also, we would love to hear your feedback and answer any questions that you have. So go ahead and drop a comment below or visit our website at FMCSA registration.com. We are standing by to help you get trucking. Talk to you soon.